what makes Paso unique is not just the terroir, but the people here. There is this adventurous spirit that people are not bound by convention. You're making something, you're creating something for people, and that was very attractive to me. And that you're learning. Your Mother Nature gives you curveballs every year. You're making a different product every year, so it's very engaging. After 38 years of doing this, I'd say I'm still learning. All of our fruit comes from not just one, but one of 6 estate vineyards throughout Paso Robles region. All of our vineyards are SIP certified, so they're sustainably farmed. There's a quality element to sustainability, but also it's good for the people, it's good for planet. There's a lot of elements that include environmental concerns as far as energy use, water conservation, and things that don't get a lot of airplay, but it just is doing the right thing for, again, the people, but it also helps make a better wine.